how you going? So it is a Tuesday afternoon, it's Anzac Day. We've just driven down to Warburton and we're about to do some tracks this afternoon. We've just turned into Lay's fire line. So Kane was in the Big River video, but you might remember if you've been back and would see that, he didn't actually make the start of it. He had a CV click, but he's back out on the tracks today. And we're in the FJ and we're about to head up Lay's fire line and see what's up there. So this bridge we just drove over on Lay's track, this used to be known for real boggy. Used to get bogged here, it was deep ruts everywhere, but now this bridge has been built up. Preserve the track, keep it open for the fire season. All right, time to head up the top of this hill here and see what's in front of us. Another day. So we just came up Lay's track there, we're still heading up it. This bit here where we're heading to, it's mainly just for motorbikes whizzing through here, but definitely wide enough for a car. For some reason this top bit always just narrows up a bit, but it's been no dramas, plenty of grip. Time to keep on continuing on. So if you do come up this way, and when you get to the top of Lay's track, you'll see stringy bark track. So when you go down stringy bark track, it looks pretty easy at the start. Then there is a big rock wall sort of thing, quite a shaly, clay, rocky, granity sort of track. I know it's a big combination, but that track has a bit of everything. So you want to be pretty well equipped. I definitely recommend a winch. And if it is wet, just be very careful down that way. There's a lot of tracks from mild to wild out back of Warburton here. So we'll continue up the top. We're going to join Brahms Road up here. You enjoying yourself, Clay?
Yeah, a lot.
Awesome. Alright, so we got on the Brahms Road, we took a right and we just turned left onto B&S fire line. So we'll go along here and have a bit of a look. Last time we were down here pretty boggy, but looks like there's been more roadworks going on down here as well. It's nice and dry at the moment. It's about 20 degrees at the moment. Nice afternoon, be out for a spin. One thing the FJ is lacking is a bit of ground clearance, but that's all right, nice and easy.
is.
Alright, so we're just about to drive through this bog hole here, so I'm going to get Adam to jump in. So Adam's my twin brother. I think you might have seen him before in a couple of other videos, and Kane is his son, my nephew, and Chloe's in the FJ as well with me. So that's why we've got the two cars out here. But yeah, Adam's going to jump in, have a drive with the FJ and see what he thinks. Chloe, what do you think about your uncle having a drive with the FJ?
Good.
Do you reckon he's going to get bogged?
Probably.
Valve belt. If it's not on the limiter, you're not winning.
Mm.
Alright, we'll go see what you think. So in my last video that you would have just seen in the Victorian High Country, Jake was in that with his white Hilux. This Hilux that Kane's in, that was Jake's old Hilux. So it's still out and about doing all the tracks that it's, you know, designed and made to do. What do you think, Kano?
Yeah, not too bad.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Some good tracks. Have you done these ones before? How'd Uncle Adam go, Chloe?
Good.
Is it alright?
Yeah, we didn't crash, so we're all good.
Didn't get bogged?
No.
Bonus. Alright, let's see what else we could find, eh? Sounds good?
Yep.
Alright.
Getting some behind the scenes of sussing out the puddles. Kano's coming as well.
I'm gonna regret that later.
Yeah.
Hey, ready to go down?
Yep.
Righto, so we're heading down B&S Fire Line now. So it's a flat track. When I say flat, there's not heaps of ruts and stuff, but you do have to pick your lines a bit. It is a steep hill. I'm currently in low first. I'm holding the steering wheel, but I do have my thumbs on the outside of the steering wheel, which is important when you're going down these sort of tracks, because you want to make sure if the steering wheel whips around in your hand, it doesn't break your thumb or sprain your wrist or anything like that. So when you're on these roads, we just saw a guy on his mountain bike. Do keep in mind that you do see some gravel bike riders and that heading out around these parts. We've seen a few today. Anyway, we've got to the bottom of B&S Fire Line. We rejoined Brahms Road. We turned right, and then we took a left onto Lyrebird Road, and we're about to head up Lyrebird Track. Just for those playing along at home, and you might want to follow the same sort of tracks that we're doing. So we're heading up Lyrebird Track. It's quite an off-camber track if you plan on doing this one in the wet, which I've done quite a few times, this track. It's a few rocky sections, lots of erosion mounds. Another one, keep your thumbs out, keep an eye on what's ahead, but yeah, it's a good fun track. Righto, while I get my breath back, Adam's jumped back in the FJ. I'm running up the hill. The boys are driving up now. This is probably the steepest section of the track. Lots of erosion mounds. Kane's on his way up now. That sun's in a terrible spot, but I can't control that. It's always good having a look at your own vehicle, driving from the outside, other than when I look back a bit of footage, but yeah, good track. Righto, so I've jumped in the passenger seat with Kane because I'm out of breath. It's a steep hill. What do you think of this hill, Kano?
Yeah, not too bad.
Good fun?
Yeah, at least it's nice and dry, not too hard.
No. Righto, so we're going to wrap up this trip here. It was good to bring Kane out to show him some tracks that he hadn't done before. And Chloe's seen a few of these tracks, and Adam used to ride these tracks all the time on his dirt bike back in the olden days, wasn't it? So we're going to wrap it up here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Cheers.